Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix if you want to add an Instagram story with specific song and you cannot find the song on the browse on Instagram. So we will go to the story. We're just gonna make a photo, and after that, if you want to add music, you're just gonna click here. And if you cannot find your favorite song right here, there might be few reasons. So one of those might be a country you live in. Maybe they don't have it on their Instagram browser and on their Instagram storage, but there's few ways to try to do, and maybe your song will re-upload. So for example, first of all, to speed up your internet connection, you might need to switch to your mobile data. And after that, of course, you also might need to go to your profile settings. So just click on the three lines at the top, click on settings. After that, click account. And if this shows you that switch to personal account and you have a business account, this might be also a reason why you cannot find a song. The business accounts sometimes have less songs, for example, on Instagram, so you might need to switch to personal account. But if you have a personal account, then that's fine. I don't think there should be done anything. So the last option you can do is go to your settings, and after that click on general if you are of course on iPhone. After that you click on iPhone storage and you just find Instagram. So let's find Instagram, and what you can do is actually offload the app and reinstall it. So this might help to find the song you are searching for. So if this helps, please comment down below if it worked for you, and if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more, and take care. Bye.